Is it foggy? You can't even see the beach. They roll them up.
Hello.
Wow. You can't see the beach, huh? That's crazy. Good morning, my love. How'd you sleep? That's nice. Good morning, you guys. Me getting ready and Jay just thinking that he's gonna stay in all damn day. Yeah, but that's not happening. Getting ready because we're about to go hit up the beaches right now. As soon as I'm ready, I'm about to go change. I don't even have anything to wear, I think. Yeah, just wear these shorts if anything. We're watching Den of Thieves right now. That's in the background. I think I look okay, right? Yeah, I look fine. I look cute. Okay, yeah, no, we need to powder me down though. All right, I'm a little ready. And let's see if this, yeah. So the ocean finally cleared up. Earlier in the morning, like 3 hours ago, it was hecka foggy. Okay, you need to refocus. There we go. A little bit. Baby, get up. Come on.
Where you been?
I'm gonna change. Be ready. All right. Finally gonna be going to the beach with my lover right there. What time is it right now, baby? 11? 11. Oh, shit. Ah. Wow. My water just rolled. Babe, my water rolled somewhere. I got stuck somewhere. My life savior. Thank you, my love. My baby always saves the day. Always. Okay, so we're gonna go to Victoria Beach. Oh, you guys can't even see me. Hold on, hold on. My hand was blocking. We're gonna be going to Victoria Beach right now. They have a pirate tower. We're gonna see if we could like find parking and all that good stuff. Let me dump this real quick. We can dump this water.
No.
It's just water.
Wait for it.
Nobody's looking.
No.
Okay. Are we going straight there? Or put it on your phone. It's kind of hot.
Where is it?
Victoria Beach Pirate Tower.
Victoria Beach.
We brought some beach towels. That way we could just lay down. It's like the sun's not too bad
I'm
right
not
now.
trying to go in. It's like cold as fuck. I'm just trying to chill right there.
I have a bathing suit. We're getting in. I'm getting in. Baby, you get in with me. Just your feet. The water yesterday at the 1,000 Steps. That one, okay. I mean, it's cool and stuff like that, but you can't go set up and stuff like that. It's like private, and then the steps and stuff. This air's so good, but this one I think you can like set up whatever, but we're just gonna go lay down a little bit. Get a little nice tan. I'll be there for like maybe less than an hour. Cause then this one's over here is gonna get hungry. Bet you anything we're gonna be like, oh, stop at McDonald's or something.
Maybe the fucking fog just, like the fog is going
I
away.
know, no, like look, the fogginess is still over here a lot. So that's what I'm saying, like I still wanna be on the beach right now just cause later now. Okay, we are leaving now.
Oh, it's red already.
You could go. Oh. What the fuck?
It's because they can't press the button.
Oh, you guys don't have nails.
Or like right here at the park. They could park right here, no? Oh no, at any time.
Like, we can always make a U-turn, baby. I don't know.
Shit, there's no room for us.
This is so nice. What the fuck? Is there an end here? Oh, it goes all the way down. They're really nice. I like the white ones like this. Nice. Just walking casually through the beach houses. We're going to Victoria Beach right now.
Wait, Juanito Sanchez?
What is it? What is that? Stupid. Sir, don't be sending things to my man like that. It's really nice.
Where are we going?
This to here, right? You are not funny. You are not funny at all, sir. More freaking steps. Well, yeah, it's like it's not the closest beach. Yeah, this is where it's set to go. Oh yeah, look, Victoria Beach. No dogs are permitted between 9 and 6. No surfing, no scuba diving, no diving, no swimming. Diving or jumping from rocks is prohibited. No fishing or take, no smoking, no drone zone, no littering, no camping, no fires, no alcohol. Babe, they said no glass, but this is plastic. Okay, it's glass though. But yeah, this is beautiful. Aren't you happy that I filmed this place, babe?
Yeah, 1,000 steps right in front of us.
Nah, it's not the same. Damn it. Is that a blue dragonfly? Oh my goodness, that was a blue dragonfly. Look at it. Oh my god, it's cute. Okay, that was a really nice dragonfly. He's super blue. No drone zone. Yeah, everyone's telling you. This is so nice. Really nice.
Fuck that. Even then, babe, like, you're still
What?
gonna have to walk down.
Walk up?
Yeah, I mean, like, if we're gonna come to the beach.
Yeah.
Like,
No, so that's why I wanted to try out different beaches to see which beach we should go to. Look at this, you guys. Huh? What, this one for everybody to come? Yeah, I think this one's actually nice. I like this. This is cute. Oh, there's a cave. Or what is that? Over there. That right there. It's not really a cave, but it's like somewhere to be. Oh, let's touch the water. Damn, that's just cold. Going on a little hike. Oh, shit. It does, huh? Yeah. That's why I say is be careful. It can be hazardous. It knocks you out. Damn. Oh. What's that? This is freaking nice, huh, baby? Hey, let's take a picture of it. Oh, damn. We could even all come over here and just chill. Wow, that's nice. Don't slip. Telling myself don't slip because that's it. Oh, okay. So water comes here. Let's wait. Huh? Ah, we made it. Oh shit. Okay, let me take off my shoes right here. And that's the little pool. What the fuck is that? Ooh, the water comes up here. Those black things. All that. What is that? Oh, what the heck? Oh shit. What the heck? Look, they're open. They have stuff in them. They have stuff in them. That's crazy. Look at the whole sea of them. You guys, the little man-made pool. It's a crab. It's a little crab. Don't they bite? Get it. We'll get it by his leg. Babe, pick it up. You're scared?
Yes,
it's
I'm
gonna
scared.
crawl on you. But just pick it up by his leg. If it snaps on you, it's gonna be little, right? Hey, what are you doing? You squish it.
They hide under it.
Oh.
Fuck, no. I'm scared.
You're scared? That's so cute. Oh, you think he's trying to make it to the ocean? Oh, he's trying to make it to the ocean, huh?
Yeah, but they're under the sand. They dig into the sand.
Why under like the rocks and stuff, right? It's walking slow, look. You chase it, it goes faster. That's cute.
Oh shit.
That's cute. So tiny. I think it's trying to go to the aqua. Alright, bye little crab. Is there any more, you think? Super cool. Is there? Yeah, I already got it. So nice. That shit's scary up there, baby. If there's their back, but it looks like it could like slip, huh? The trees are all falling and stuff. We're about to go to this tower right here. I don't know. We're gonna see. Fuck around, find out. Or maybe I can climb it. Hold this. Record me just in case if I fall. I'm laughing at it.
Dang.
Got this. Woo! Soaked in water. Oh, what the fuck? There's stairs. Look at this thing. So freaking tall. Hey, let's walk around it. Crazy. What do you think that is?
Oh, I think that's where it goes. At least you can't go in.
Maybe is it like private viewings or something? About to get a little kiss. Aww. Let me see that. It's kind of cool though. It's like a little cave. What's in there? Look up the stairs. It's locked up, Sally. We can't go in the tower. But we're here. It's just so nice to see, huh, baby? I like, it's just so cool. Like, look at this. There you go. It's so beautiful. They're crawling. Is there more?
Oh shit. Right there.
Where? Don't scare me like that. Look. It's like the aquarium, huh, baby? Go Go ahead and touch them real quick. See what they do. Making it move, it's scary. Hell yeah, right? With my nail, huh?
That's what you should have done with the other one, babe.
What, grab with my nail? And then have it crawl over my arm? Hell no. Is that a crab in a, or is it trying to eat the, it's trying to eat the clam? Oh, look at that big one.
Oh, shit.
Watch, move it, babe, move it. Or put your hand around it.
Nah.
You scared of that one, huh? I think they eat the clams too, huh? Yeah, that one's a mama crab.
There's no, like, stick.
Watching rip these
Where's the other one?
too. It was eating one of the clams right here, and then it, oh look, I think I see it.
Not the water.
Look, it's right there. You see it? Right there. You don't see it? Look, it's right there. You don't see it? It's little. Look, it's trying to eat at the clam. That's crazy. Oh, the little baby clams. So the clams go. Oh, there's more. There's another one out there. Up there. Crawling right there. You see it? Right there. Ah, it went into its rock. Damn, they're fast. They do camouflage, huh?
Oh, shit. He's fucking hard.
You felt him?
Yeah.
Get him.
Fuck, now I'm scared.
That's crazy. They just live here.
That's how big everyone fucking is.
Hell yeah. Where is he at? Is he still hiding over there?
Wow, that one's fucking feisty.
There's a lot in there. That little pool right here. Look at that big one there on the rock. On the rock. It's out. It's big. Look at that one right in the water.
Oh, it is?
Right there. You see it?
Oh, shit. Oh, look, that's cool.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is. Touch it. Wait, can you touch it?
No.
I know.
I don't know what these do.
I'm pretty sure they're not poisonous, babe. They wouldn't let people walk through here if they're poisonous. Look at this baby one right here. There's so many. I know. Look at the little crabs over there. Look, there's a lot of them over there. This is like a perfect little area for them to live. So look, if I had water shoes, I would definitely jump from there to there. At first I thought we couldn't cross this right here. Let me show you guys. And I was not gonna cross it, right? But I found a way. Let's go. I hope I found a way. This is scary. Scary. Wow, this is scary. Filled some water. Okay, that's kind of slippery. Let's walk through the rocks. Whew. I got chanclas on, okay, people? I got chanclas on. Baby, you coming? Huh? Yeah, it gets wet here, I know.
Oh, shit.
Baby! Okay. Whew. Made it. Okay, down. Okay. Darn it. Ow, my chocolate's slipping. Made it across. Woo. We're gonna have to go back somehow. How did they get? Weren't they up there? Oh, they went all the way up there, huh? Yeah, you ain't down. Yeah. Why is there piles of rocks? Why are there piles of rocks? Are these like little homes for crabs or something?
No,
Look.
these are on there, like they don't move.
No, babe. Talking about the little piles of rocks.
Oh, that's coral.
Oh, and what, it attracts them?
Yeah.
It's like a little river, huh?
That's crazy, man.
Can I touch it with my toe, baby? Yeah?
Right there.
Right there? You think it's soggy?
Yeah, it's like squishy.
Here, hold me. Hold me.
It's gonna move, watch, like it's like a line.
Hold me.
See it? See how it moves?
Yeah. They're squishy. They're squishy. Touch the coral. It's so squishy.
See how it's squishy up there?
Yeah, it's trying to protect itself. It's so nice, baby. I love it. I like want to sit in this water, but there's all these coral. Oh no, that one. Oh! Oh god, that was funny. That was so cool. You have to like pinch it. Like I don't think it could get squeezed real fast. Get it, baby. Get it. Get it. You got it. Don't. With your thumb, squeeze it. Squeeze it. You got it. You got to grab, baby. Have you got it?
Oh shit! Oh. That just scared me.
I think you killed it already.
I'm just scared.
You're scared. You want to get another one? Put two of them. Make them fight. The other one trying to catch a baby crab. Do you think they're like super tiny when you first? A little tadpole. It ripped? You better go back to Nike and tell them what's up. You still have the crab in your hand? Let me see. The Brittany's calling me.
Brittany?
Yeah, well I'll answer right now after this. That's so cute.
Come right now.
That is so cute.
He's scared.
He's trying to fight you. Does it feel weird?
No, just
Oh, on the side?
yeah. All the pressure on the rocks, that's what I think.
Yeah. Were you successful in catching your baby crab?
Yes. A baby, not a fucking crab. Fuck that.
It's a little baby. Let me see it. Oh. No! Babe, do not
do anything.
Oh my goodness, baby. What the heck? Oh god.
Nah, I think it needs water.
Yeah?
Or I don't know why he's acting like that.
Cause he's scared. He's like
pretending to be dead.
he's gonna pinch me. Yeah, he's gonna pinch me. Get him. Pinch him off of me. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. It feels so so soft. Well, put him back where you found him, right here. Oh shit. He was like no. He was like right here somewhere. Look, you see? Look, like that was like his little buddy right here. We're gonna put him back where we got him from. Which is right here. Look, put him next to his buddy. Look, his buddy's still waiting for him. Watch. Yep. Like they said, happily ever after. He's right there. You see his little claw thingies? Yeah. He's traumatized as fuck. He's like, dude, some guy got me. Most terrifying thing ever.
Something. I don't know what it was. I felt it. I felt it.
Come on, Papa. Let's go back. Are you hungry yet?
Yeah, I can't really
I told you he'd be fucking hungry. Especially with this walking and stuff like that. We're going back, you guys. Woo! That was so much fun. How long were we here for, baby?
An hour and a half.
Just like exploring the whole time, huh? Ooh, look, there's more people. Yeah, hell yeah. Be all of us. This one? I like the walk. It's just to find parking. No, but there was a lot of parking there, huh? I had baby go fetch the car because earlier when we came through this traffic, we jaywalked and that shit was scary as fuck. Alright, you guys, we're finally back in the car. We've been getting hella good cardio, huh, baby?
It's making up for the 3 weeks I've been missing out at gym.
For real. It feels really good. And right now we're driving along the beach. What is this? Beach Coast? Whatever.
Highway.
Yeah, Beach Coast Highway. We're going to go to Marshall's because I don't really have like an official outfit for tomorrow's birthday dinner. So we're going to go to Marshall's. And then, of course, baby earlier mentioned that he's a little hungry. So we're going to, we'll stop by any. I'm honestly down for some Starbucks. Like,
You and your Starbucks, bro. Shit. Get food. Not fucking king.
I can live off of that.
No.
Anyway, so Jay wants food, whatever. We'll get whatever. Came to get our toes done. Say hi, Lynette. Say hi. So what you gonna get today? Same. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my feet. Before, my feet are a little dirty from the beach from earlier. We about to get lit. Lynette's in the restroom. I'm making drinks for meanwhile. Woo! Okay, is that, no, we need a little bit more in this one. We're gonna put pineapple juice. One more. We got that Dole. Hell yeah. Baby's out there grilling. I take a shot. Nico. Don't take it yet. Don't take it yet. Baby. Here you go. Over here. Cheers, baby. Cheers. Let me see where's your cup at. She said the lime. Alright, get yourself situated. Over there, Sean can't. Sean can't.
Wait, go in and then go out, guys.
Okay, in, out.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Cheers. Woo. Okay, it's kind of good.